So, you're looking for Easter sewing projects this year. Well, in this tutorial, I have 5 steps for making fabric Easter eggs using scrap fabric. Also, at the end, I will share the difficulty score, so let's get started. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, which is all about crafts and DIY projects. So if you haven't as yet, please consider subscribing for more content. So today I'm going to show you an idea for an Easter sewing project, which is to make this fabric Easter egg. So we'll actually be using scrap material to stuff the egg. So for this project, what you will need is your fabric, your needle and thread. I'll be using black, to show you how I do the sewing because it will be hand sewn. A pen, for stuffing later, scissors, and I also have this egg template that I got off of Martha Stewart's website, so I'll be putting the link in the description box below. It's also free, and you can also check out other stuff that I use for this project and other things that you may want to do. So the first thing we will be doing is cutting our egg template shape for more materials, and as you can see I have the 4 right here on top of each other. And the easiest way to keep this in place while you're cutting is to put a pin and then start cutting. This is what we will end up with. So starting with 2, we're going to sew this side together, and I'll be using a running back stitch. Now if you had a material with print on it, you would ensure that the print is actually facing each other when you're sewing, so you would be sewing on the wrong side, because at the end you will be turning the material inside out and you want the print that you want outside to be shown, like an Easter print material. Okay, I finished one side and I hope you can see the line going across right here, and I'm going to be doing the same for these 2. Okay. Next we're going to sew these 2 together. We're going to connect them, and how we do that is to open these up a bit and place them together facing each other, and we're going to sew these 2 sides, but remember to leave a space open so that you can turn it inside out as well as stuff it later. So we'll be doing the same running back stitch. Needle, get to me. This side is finished, and I'm going to be doing this side as well. So I'm starting right here, leaving the space here open. And that is done. Now we're going to be turning it inside out. And voila! We're going to stuff in here and using our scrap material. Also, when we're finished, we're just going to hand sew this part together. Another thing I would like to mention is that you can use cotton or polyester stuffing. It's just that this video is particular for a budget. Okay, so this part is the longest. Just expect to be doing this for a while. What I'm trying to do is get enough material in so that my egg has a firm shape. Okay, so the shape is looking like an egg, but we still need to close this part. We stick in the inside and just pull the fabric together. So starting here, you'll see how it comes together. And then I go on the other side and stick on the inside too. We have some frayed ends, so I'm gonna go above that. See, it's being pulled close. This was what I did on the inside, and this is the outside. Now it looks a little more clumsy than I would have hoped, but this is what I was trying to get. Something close to this effect. As promised, I said I would share the difficulty score, and that is the difficulty level on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the most difficult. For this, I gave it a 3 because it wasn't that difficult to do, but it took some time and you have to ensure that you get the right shape. So let me know in the comments below what score you would give this out of 1 to 5, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.